All right, let's talk some combos. Container combinations, ways to put containers together to look beautiful. You can do them in a number of ways. You can certainly, and I'll show you examples, have one container with many plants in them, or you can do like this one at the Berkshire Botanical Garden, where they have a number of containers with maybe one or two plants in them. So in the bottom there is a plumbago all by itself, right? Then you have a phormium right next to it. Behind that is the big papyrus growing up into the sky with some dichondra or lysomachia, I think, growing over the edge. And then the back one is definitely dichondra. So you can see the look and the feel of this container garden using different size containers and using different number of plants in those containers. If you're mixing and matching all your flowers or your plants in one container, then you want to think about, do they like full sun or not? You want to make sure the plants you're getting are going to tolerate full sun. This one, of course, with the Dracaena, the geranium, the verbena, and the Gerber daisy there all love the sun, so they're going to do really well. Or if you're going to the shade, you got to make sure you want to have shade-loving plants, caladiums and begonias and sweet potato vines, and again that licorice vine that's there. You could see that this adds a lot of color even though it's in a shady spot. Or you can just go all foliage, and I love this photo because it really highlights it beautifully. Because we have some heucheras or coral bells, that burgundy one and that one that has kind of silvery foliage to it. There's a fuchsia there, that's those green leaves with some red in the veins. And then you even have an oxalis, a shamrock plant. It has green petals to it with a little burgundy dipped in the middle. You can see all of these plants, there's nothing in flower yet. The fuchsias want a flower, but they're not open yet. Has all this color to them and there's not any flowers on them. This is a great thing to do if you have a shady area. Look for foliage. The breeders have done an amazing job creating more and more foliage plants out there that have beautiful colored foliage. You don't have to wait for the flowers. The foliage looks nice all season. And sometimes you can even bring them indoors too.